happy birthday, Mami Josephine Guimoro. Ang wish ko para sa iyo, Mami, ay magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthdays to come. More candles to blow, long life and good health always, Mami. And of course, even though hindi na ako masyadong naka-visit or naka-support sa iyong mga live stream, pero andito ka pa rin sa aking puso, Mami, ha. Hindi pa rin kita nalilimutan. Kasi alam mo na, super busy. Super busy na kasi ako, Mami, dahil nga, di ba? Nag-work na ako at saka panggabi pa talaga. So, hindi katulad dati no na kayang mag-support ng 24 hours, yung nasa bahay pa lang. Pero, I'm here for you, Mami. So, ayun. Thank you pa rin palagi for always supporting me, syempre. And of course, dahil din mo pa rin ako nakakalimutan, thank you for that, Mami. I really appreciate it. And Mami, just enjoy your birthday. And just happy lang, Mami, okay? Bawal mas-sad, bawal mas-stress, and yeah, alam naman natin kung ano ang situation ngayon, hindi lang dito sa Japan, kundi sa buong mundo. Basta ingat ka lagi, Mami. And yun, sana mahaba pa ang iyong buhay, of course. And ayun, Mami, God bless to you. God bless to your family, and we love you po. Missed you so much. I to you, Mami. Mama. Bye-bye, Mami. Love you. I'm Hana Ariana, all the way from Japan.
Joe, meticuloso po, and mega love shout out to our birthday celebrant, Mami Joe, also known as Mami Josephine Guimoro. Happy birthday, Mami Joe! More blessings and good health always. Stay sexy and stay healthy, of course, and more power to your channel. God bless. Enjoy your day po. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mami Jo!
Happy birthday, Mami Jo. Sana po good health kayo. Enjoy your day. Saka po, gusto ko na rin po magpasalamat kasi simula andyan ka palagi sa amin. Sinusuportahan mo yung channel namin. Hindi pa kami money noon, pero lagi ka nandyan. Walang pagbabago. Very humble po.
Yes, happy birthday, Mami Jo. Maraming salamat po sa laging support simula nung nagsisimula po kami. Thank you so much po. God bless you, and sana po lagi po kayong healthy and more blessings to come. Enjoy your day. Bye!
Bye-bye, Mami. Love you.
Hi! Today is February 1 and I am sending a very special message to a friend, a mentor, and a classmate here in YouTube. Guess who? Guess what? It's Josephine Guimoro's birthday today. Happy birthday, Jo! Why did I say mentor? Of course, I saw in you an excellent, not just excellent, but the true heart of helping people. You know, you've been helping small YouTuber. You've been helping even those who are not a member of your channel. You're there helping them. You create a good content. What else? And ang ganda ng live streaming mo. You are a unique, not just in your channel presentation, but of course, I see in person, right? And so I say you are a mentor which everyone wants to follow you. And why do I say classmate? Because in the past, when I was just starting in my journey here in YouTube, I used to bump in other channel or in other live streaming that you are there and I'm there, so it looks like we are classmates looking for a fish. Okay, so So it's classmates. And of course, a good friend. A friend that anytime you can chat, anytime you can talk, anytime you can share your feelings. There is the trust, there is the love, you know. You are a friend. Happy birthday, Joe. I know you have been praying and you have a prayer that you've been asking our God to grant you. I am praying to support and supporting that prayers of yours to be granted. Kung ano man yun, I just pray that it will grant you. Okay? May you be a blessing to many people. Stay safe. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, partner!
Happy birthday, Ate.
Wish you good health always.
Tomorrow. Wish you all good always.
And happiness.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello! Happy birthday po, Mami Josephine from Paulo Kulit's Vlog. Wish your health and good vlog. At sana po dumami pa po yung mga viewers nyo at subscribers. Thank you po. Love you po. Miss you.
It's me again, Chichi Degario. So ngayon is a very special, yes, it's very special. Because it's a birthday of our mother in Whitey World. Ayan, diba? Alam niyo na yun kung sino yun. Mami G, happy birthday to you. So yun, nakakaalam yun si Mami Josephine ha. Si Mami Josephine yung ano niya, yung palagi nakasupport sa iyo. Tapos yung main account talaga ni Mami Josephine is Josephine Gimoro. Ayan, titingnan nyo. Ang ganda ng mga contents niya. Kung gusto nyo mga love teams, dyan yung makikita. Ayan. Kaya mag-follow na kayo kay Mami Josephine Gimoro. O, diba? Mami Josephine, wish ko lang sa iyo good health and more birthday to come. More blessings and more candles to blow. Ayan. Kaya mag-ingat ka dyan lagi, Mami Josephine. Always take care of yourself. And andito lang kami lagi, Mami Josephine, nakaalala sa iyo. Thank you sa palagi mo pagsusupport sa aming small YouTuber. Ayan, Mami Josephine, I'm blessed nga nakilala kita. Ayan. So, happy birthday sa iyo. Thank you for mentioning me na ano din ako sa iyo, makagreet din sa iyo, di ba? Ayan, Mami Josephine, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, Mami Josephine, happy birthday sa iyo. Kaya ano ka lang dyan, stay ka lang dyan, and stay beautiful. Ayan, happy birthday, Mami Josephine. I love you. Mwah, mwah. Bye! Enjoy your day!
Hello, Mami Jo. Magandang buhay. Happy birthday, advance. Gumawa na ako ng video ko para greeting for you. Kasi baka makalimutan ko. Alam mo naman, tumatanda na tayo. Makakalimutin na. Kaya ito na, gumawa na ako. Happy birthday, more birthday to come. Hopefully, lahat ng mga plano mo sa buhay para sa iyo at sa pamilya mo ay makamit mo. At huwag mag-alala, ang Diyos nandyan palagi sa atin kung lagi tayong tumatawag sa Kanya. At alam ko na ikaw ay malapit sa Diyos, kaya wala akong ibang hangad sa iyo kundi gumaling ka sa mga nararamdaman mo sa ngayon para marami ka pang magawa para sa buhay mo at sa buhay ng mga pamilya mo. Happy birthday, Mami Jo. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Nandito lang si Mami Elvie na laging nakasuporta sa inyo. Pero sana walang makakalimot, walang bibitaw. Solid Margel friendship community lang tayo. Dahil dito tayo nabuo. Maligayang kaarawan pagdating ng kaarawan mo, February 1st. Alam ko, ang anak ko, ka-birthday mo, yung anak ko dito, February 1st to. Kaya umuna ako na nag-greet na sa'yo. Kasi birthday niya, February 1st din. Salamat, Mami Jo, sa lahat ng pag-uunawa. Kung hindi man ako nakakaakyat sa mga live mo palagi. Happy birthday and God bless you always. Bye.
Hi everyone, Emmy here from Emmy's Family Adventures and Emmy's Family Kitchen. So today I just wanted to send my birthday greetings to Mommy Josephine Gimoro. Happy birthday, Mommy Jo! I wish you all the best. I pray that you will stay healthy always. And I wish that you'll be able to enjoy this special day and celebrate it with your family. Thank you so much for supporting my channels, and I would like to thank you for the updates that you give to your channel as well. Again, happy birthday!
Mami Josephine Dimoro, happy birthday po. May you have many more birthdays to come. And thank you so much po sa lagi niyong pag-support sa akin. Kahit hindi na kayo nag-LS nung minsan, nandyan pa rin kayo sa live ko. So maraming salamat po, Mami Jo. I love you.
Today is your special day. It is time to make a change and relax and make it easy. You're still young, you're not old, you no need to worry.
Hello, good morning, Ate Josephine Gimoro. Happy birthday day to you. This is your special day, so I just want to say happy birthday, and may our Almighty Father bless you, good health, and more blessings to come. And enjoy your special day because it is your New Year's Day. Today is your born day. And so, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, Ate Josephine Gimoro, happy birthday. Remember that we love you so much. And today is your special day, so enjoy your day. With more blessings to come, good health, good life, and may our Almighty Father bless you. Happiness always. Ayan, thank you so much, Ate Josephine, for being there always in our YT world. And not only in the YT, syempre sa ating mga kaibigan, maraming salamat dahil sa iyo ay meron tayong mga legit friends from all over the world. Not only in Philippines, but also anywhere. Ayan po, happy birthday! Para sa iyo ang mga gifts na yan. Happy New Year's, Chinese New Year's too. Dahil it's your special day. Kung hisaylay. Kung hisaylay, follow. Kung hisaylay, follow. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hello po, Mami Jo. Ayun, kumusta na po kayo? Ayun po, gusto ko po muna kayong batiin ng isang napaka masayang kaarawan po. Ayun po yung pinaka-importanteng araw, pinaka-special day ang inyong kaarawan. Happy birthday po, Mami Jo, from the bottom of my heart. Binabati ko po kayo ng isang and blessings surrounded by family and friends. Again, we love you so much, Mami Jo. At meron pa po akong isang sorpresang i-handle sa iyo. Sana'y magustuhan mo, Mami Jo. Ayun, ito na po. Hello po, Mami Jo. I want to dedicate this song to you. And again, happy birthday po. At sana po ay magustuhan ninyo yung awiting i-handle ko po sa inyo. I always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. I always felt that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but we always saw it through. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Sometimes the world was on our side, sometimes it was unfair, sometimes it gave a helping hand, sometimes we didn't care. 'Cause when we were together, it made the dreams come true. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, and helps keep me together and believes without a doubt that I could move a mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Happy birthday po, Mami Jo! Enjoy your day po! When we were together, it made the dreams come true. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, and helps keep me together and believes without a doubt that I could move a mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Ayun po, happy birthday, Mami Jo. At keep safe po palagi. Enjoy your day. God bless and we love you so much.
Hi, Mami Jo. First, I would like to greet you a happy birthday, and may the Lord bless and strengthen you with His presence. Stay in shape and always keep safe. And thank you so much for everything. And you know why I really salute you. You're my idol. You're one of a kind and a good example of woman empowerment. So that I really salute you, Mami Jo. And my only wish for you is stay healthy. Again, happy birthday, Mami Jo. May you have more birthdays to celebrate. God bless and I love you.
Madam Josephine Gimoro, happy birthday po and happy birthday. Sana mas marami pang blessings ang dumating sa inyo, ang pagkaloob sa inyo ng ating Panginoon. Ayan, happy birthday po. Maraming salamat din sa walang sawang pagsuporta nyo sa akin dito sa YouTube. Kahit ako po ay lulubog, lilitaw dito sa YouTube, nandyan pa rin po kayo nakasuporta. Maraming salamat, Madam Josephine. And once again, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Mas maraming blessings. mas maraming subscribers syempre dito sa YouTube. Happy birthday, Madam Josephine Bimoro.
Hi, Mami Joy! And happy birthday po, Mami. Ang wish ko sa iyo is, sana lahat ng pain, lahat ng lungkot na nararamdaman ng puso mo, lahat ng sufferings na laman ng puso mo, is sana mapalitan niya ng nag-uumapaw na happiness. And sana i-bless ka pa ni Lord na maraming blessings. Stay healthy. Ayan, ingatan niyo po yung sarili niyo. Huwag kayo masyadong nagpupuyat. And see you soon, Mami. Alam ko magkikita pa tayo. And yun lang, Mami. Mag-iingat ka palagi dyan. And pasensya na po kung hindi ako masyadong active sa YouTube. Hindi na kita masyadong susupport sa live stream mo, sa mga videos mo. Pero sana lagi mong tatandaan, Mami, na nandito lang kami palagi. Kami ng angels mo na nakasupport sa'yo, na kahit hindi sa YouTube, Mami, ayan, alam natin yung contact ng isa't isa. So, anytime, Mami, pwede mo kaming lapitan o pwede kang mag-message sa amin. Ganon din kami sa'yo, Mami, kasi alam kong lagi kaming welcome sa'yo. And, ayun, Mami, I love you and I miss you so much. Ingat ka po dyan palagi. Mwah!
Hi po, Mami Josephine Gimoro. Happy birthday po from Marie Fanatics TV members and sa lahat po ng mga kasulid natin. Thank you po sa lahat ng support sa amin and ayun, wish you more birthdays in the years to come. Ingat po kayo palagi. I love you, Mami Jo.
Hello, Mami. Tanjo Bio Merito. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Good health. And more blessing. Ikaw ang mami naming lahat dito sa White World. The best mami na napaka-supportive. Naway maligaya ka sa iyong kaarawan. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday. God bless. Bye-bye.
Hello, Mami Jo. Happy birthday. Wish you a good health. Thank you very much at nakilala kita. I'm very grateful enough at nagkakilala tayo sa YT World and you still there to support me and to my small YouTubers. Thank you so much. Hope to see you personally in the Philippines. Wish you more blessings and more birthdays to come. See you soon.
Hi, Mami Jo. Happy birthday.